Hey everyone, welcome back to Extreme Hack Lab. If you're all about turning your living space into a futuristic hub with simple, do-it-yourself innovations, then you're going to love what we have for you today. Hit that subscribe button and let's dive into the world of home automation DIY projects that are not only cool but also incredibly useful. We're kicking things off with the ultimate voice-activated lighting system that'll make you feel like you've stepped into a sci-fi movie. Imagine walking into your room and bringing it to life with just your voice. Sounds like magic, right? Well, it's pretty close, and we'll show you how to set it up, step by step. First things first, you'll need a few things: a smart plug, a compatible LED bulb, and your smartphone. We'll be using a popular app to sync everything together, and don't worry, we've got all the links in the description below. Once we've got our gear ready, it's time to connect the dots. We'll start by setting up the smart plug. This little device is going to be the brain of our operation. Plug in your lamp, sync it with your phone, and just like that, you're halfway there. Now, let's move on to the thermostat. Adjusting your home's temperature can be a chore, but not anymore. We'll walk you through creating a DIY smart thermostat that can be controlled from anywhere. You'll need a few basic electronics and a little coding, nothing too crazy, we promise. And for those who are always on the lookout for safety, we've got something special. Building your own home security system may sound daunting, but with our guide, you'll have a setup that's not only cost-effective but also gives you that extra peace of mind. We'll wrap up with some customization tips to make your smart home truly your own. And we want to hear from you. Share your ideas, your projects, or even your fails. It's all part of the fun. There you have it, smart home automation made easy, accessible, and fun. Stay tuned for more, and remember, the future is what you make it. Subscribe, like, and join the conversation. Until next time, keep innovating, keep creating, and keep making your home smarter with Extreme Hack Lab.